Here we have another VRC freight lift installed, where this customer has to move their machinery from the first floor level up to their mezzanine level. This platform is a 7-foot wide by 7-foot long. It's a 4,000 pound capacity, and it's about a 17-foot lift. You can see here we've got the up-down emergency stop button, and here is our reservoir and hydraulic motor and pump, and there's our control panel and power source. You can see we've got the interlock attached to the gate here. You can do that, and that shuts the system completely down. Here's the shaft, and there's the second level with our gate and interlock installed up on top. Another fine installation of a freight lift that allows the operators to move material safely from one floor to the next.